Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Paint Heaven by AHS. Today I am going to show you how to create this easy and beautiful butterfly painting with flowers using acrylic and fabric colors. So this painting is simple, colorful and perfect for beginners. First I am filling the wings of the butterfly with sunset yellow as the base color. Now I am taking blue color and applying it near the edges of the wings. I am doing the same for the second butterfly. This butterfly is smaller than the first one, so I am using a 0 round brush for better detailing. Next I am taking black color with a 000 brush. I am carefully outlining the wings, edges, body. Thin black lines instantly bring the butterfly to life, so always use light pressure with your detail brush. So now I am filling black paint in the upper wing and blending it downwards for shading. Be careful while using black paint. Always use small strokes because small strokes look cleaner and neater. After adding details in the upper wing, I am taking again black paint and I am defining the shape of that butterfly body. So I am taking orange color as my previous paint is not dried yet, so I am mixing orange color with the black to make it more darker than orange shade. Now I am taking white paint for the highlights because this portion got more light, so I will add white for the highlights. And deep down there, I am also adding white paint. Then I am taking bright orange again and blending it outwards without mixing it with black. So this gives a vibrant and colorful look to the butterfly. As you all know, butterflies are naturally full of beautiful colors. So I am using bright shades to make this painting look lively and attractive. Now I will add white details for a 3D effect. I am adding white dots for the face, eye and body one by one. So these small highlights make the butterfly look more realistic. Now I am using the 000 brush again for the final details. I am adding the antenna and extra patterns on the wings. I am also adding white highlights and black details for a neat finish. Now I am repeating the same process for the second butterfly. Each step is same as I did before while painting the first butterfly. So sit back and watch. Both butterflies will look colorful and beautiful together. So after completing the second butterfly, I am adding fine wing lines to both butterflies. These thin lines add more detail and elegance. So you can use any color for these lines, but I'm using orange color. Just try to keep them thin and clean. Finally, we are adding some floral touch by adding these flowers. So, I am painting the base of the flowers with the bright orange color. Then I will highlight them with the white color or a lime yellow color to separate each petal clearly. This will make the flower shape stand out beautifully. Now I am using lime yellow color to highlight the flowers while keeping the center part dark. You can see the flower shape is coming out nicely now. Just to highlight further, I'm just adding lime yellow color again. Now for the stems and leaf, I am using Sap Green color with the same 000 brush. You can also use a round brush size 0 for this. I am creating all the stems and leaves around the flowers. Tell me in the comments which butterfly you like more, the first one or the second one. Also tell me what painting tutorial you would like to see next. Here comes my most favorite part of the video. I am painting my favorite one-stroke long leaves. These leaves enhance the beauty of the painting and make it look fresh and complete. You can add them anywhere you want. So this is the final painting. I hope you enjoyed this easy and beautiful butterfly painting tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Paint Heaven by AHS. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Happy painting.